Hi guys, how you doing? This video is a review for quiz 6, which is under the March 30th module. And the first question on the quiz asks you to use a tree diagram to figure out how many possibilities there are. And the example I'm going to use now is possibilities for pizza. So I have a pizza. I can get a pizza that either has white crust or wheat crust. For sauce, it can have red, white, or no sauce. And for meat, it can have pepperoni, sausage, both, or neither. So I want to figure out how many different ways I can have this pizza by using a tree. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to start off with the crust, right? With the crust, we can go white, we can go wheat. And then once you get the crust, for the sauce, you can go red sauce, white sauce, no sauce. Red sauce, white sauce, no sauce. And then off the sauce, you can do the meats. And there's 4 different possibilities. You can have pepperoni, sausage, both, neither. Pepperoni, sausage, both, neither. Right? And then you have to do the same thing off of here. Oh, and I got to do 1 to 4 off of there too, guys. So you would do pepperoni, sausage, both, neither off of those. Okay, so then you got to figure out how many final branches do you have. We can count them, right? We can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I think I counted 24 final branches. An easy way of figuring out how many branches there are is you can start with there's 2 types of crust times 3 types of sauce times 4 types of meat possibilities. So you get 24. But show me like a little tree too, but you don't have to label everything, but just kind of show it like I did, okay? So that's the first problem. The second problem, you can use trees too to solve. I do anyways. And this was in your notes, and the one in the quiz is similar. We're talking about a 40-member club, and you're electing a president and a vice president. And you want to know how many different possibilities there are. 40 people, one person's the president, one guy's the vice president. How many things could happen? So you know what? I use a tree for this, but I don't draw out 40 people because that's crazy. But first person, second person, third person, 40th person. And who could be paired up with the first person, the second person, the third person, all the way down to the 40th person? Who could be paired with the second person, the first person, the third person, the 4th person, all the way down to the 40th person? And finally we get to 40, the first person, the second person, all the way down to the 39th person, right? So if we want to figure out how many branches there are, well, there's 40, and each branch has 39, right? So 40 times 39 in your calculator is you get 1560, okay? The second part of the problem says, instead of a president and a vice president, what if 2 co-presidents? So 2 people, they're at the same level, right? So you know what it turns out, you guys? It's actually half of this. How come? How come it's half? Well, think about it, you guys. Over here, a 1, 2, and a 2, 1. Like the first person with the second person, second person with the first person, that was unique, that was different, right? Because he's president, he's vice president, he's president, he's vice president. But now if they're co-presidents, a 1, 2, and a 2, 1 are the same thing, right? It's the same, they're just 2 people. So basically, that means you eliminate half of your possibilities that you had over there, you just got to divide by 2. So 1560 divided by 2 is 780. Okay, so look at the quiz, very similar to what I just went over, and email me if you have any questions. Hope you're doing good. Bye, guys.